Aarvi, today we will travel with prepositions. Buckle up, let's go! Guess where I am? You are at the bus stop waiting for a bus that never comes. Now, guess where I am? You are on the bus, but don't forget a ticket. Guess where I am? You are stuck in traffic. Where I am? You are at school, but did you do your homework? Shh. Guess where I am? You are on the desk. Wait, are you pretending to be a book now? Shh. Guess where I am? You are behind the teacher. Clever tricks to escape questions. Wow, Aarvi, you guessed them all right, even on a video call. Of course, prepositions help me find you anywhere. Bus stop, traffic, or even online. Bye!